make your money work for you through Airbnb under SMDC. Yes, you heard that right. Own a condo unit in a prime location right across NAIA Terminal 1 and few minutes away to Terminal 2 and 3. And turn it into your own staycation business. Thanks to the 24/7 foot traffic and high rental demand, your Airbnb income can cover your monthly amortization. At ang maganda, yung sa sobra, may tatabi mo pa. So here are the advantages. Property management that handles the unit on our behalf. Hassle-free leasing, cleaner na lang ang kailangan mo kung under Airbnb na siya. Lifetime ownership ang properties natin dito. Malapit na din sa MOA, Entertainment City, and South Luzon Expressway. We also have free appliances worth 200,000 plus for selected properties only. Please check yung mga post ko sa comment section. Monthly payment starts at 25,000 monthly for gold residences across NAIA Terminal 1. For mid-rise project like Turf Residences, located 3 to 5 minutes away sa SM Santa Rosa, or yung Tagaytay project namin na nag-start lang at 14,000 monthly. Request your free quotation today or schedule a Zoom presentation. Let's turn your condo into a smart, income-generating property. SMDC, staycation ready, investor friendly. Again, this is Allen, your trusted property investment manager for SMDC.